Hello, hello, hello. So here you go, folks. So look how clean the left side is and how messy how clean the right side is and how messy the left side is. Now what you have in here, oh my god, just look at this. It's a mess. Anyways, so what I used the thin metal cutter. I had to cut one side off, give it a different shape because it kept on turning while I was doing it on the left side. I used a bunch of stuff, and the persuader was this thick metal cutter that I bought from Milwaukee. Actually, I went to my local Home Depot, and this did the job. Just look at this. This is how choked your exhaust is. Now this goes in. The main exhaust has a flange in it. It goes to this main flange, and as you can see, there is the media in it that makes your motorcycle quiet. On the other side also, and this looks horrible, but hey, I mean, I was just trying to save. So as you can see, I was just trying to make some cuts and to not touch the bottom part of the oil pan. I did make some marks, but all in all, I didn't make a deep penetration, didn't go out, and didn't go in, and looks good. Now I'm gonna buff it, make it clean, make the welds clean, and then I will install the mid pipe. So here I am, finished with installing it. There are a couple of things that I want to tell you. If you make a cut and there you are having a problem installing it, you can shave down the edges of the original header, and if that doesn't help, then you can make a cut here, a cut down there, and the new piece will just go right over it, and once you're tightening it, that will tighten on. Also, a trick to install the spring, pretty straightforward. Use a screwdriver, slip the spring on top of the screwdriver, insert the screwdriver in it, and then just slide it in, and that's about it. Let's hear it without further ado.
That's only 4,000 RPM. Everything seems to be fine. So after doing all of it, I'm gonna slip on the original exhaust on top of it. I didn't have an exhaust ready for it. I do have an Acura Povic that I need to install it. I either need to cut this part or cut the exhaust. So I think I'll be able to fix it. And here is how it sounds. Everything seems to be good. The temp is good. It's not that hot at the moment. That's good. Oh, by the way, check out my LED lights. This is the high, low beam, high, low, high, low. This is beautiful. They look beautiful. They work beautifully. So I do have a video of me installing them and which one I use, and the small LED bulbs right here also that goes for the parking. Sunny. Yeah. Check down below, or maybe on the left side or on the right side. I'll put it somewhere there. Sounds amazing. Looks amazing. Let me put the fairing back together. Thank you much.